Ibrahim Traore, the leader of Burkina Faso, has been making waves recently, and not just within his country, but across the globe. His ambitious plans for the nation have caught the attention of many, and some of these projects have left people wondering if they even realistic. So let us dive into the top 10 most ambitious projects by Ibrahim Traore that are shaking the world. Number 1. The Grandinga Dam. This massive hydroelectric project on the Congo River in the Democratic Republic of the Congo has been in the works for several decades and is set to be one of the largest dams in the world when completed. The project is expected to generate up to 48 gigawatts of electricity, enough to power millions of homes and businesses across Africa. Ibrahim Traore has expressed interest in investing in the project and has stated that it could potentially supply green energy to Burkina Faso and other African nations. The potential benefits of the Grandinga Dam are enormous and include not only providing much-needed electricity, but also creating jobs and stimulating economic growth in the region. However, there are also significant challenges associated with the project, such as environmental concerns and the need for international funding. Despite these challenges, Ibrahim Traore's investment could help to make this ambitious project a reality and provide much-needed energy to Africa. Number 2. The Transaqua Project. The Transaqua Project is a proposed water diversion project in Central Africa that aims to transport water from the Atlantic Ocean to the Sahara Desert via a canal. This ambitious plan has been championed by Ibrahim Traore, who believes that it could bring much-needed water resources to the drought-stricken Sahel region of Africa. The project has faced numerous challenges, including technical difficulties and environmental concerns. However, Traore remains optimistic and has stated that he is in discussions with experts and partners to make the project a reality. If successful, the Transaqua project could have a significant impact on the environment and economy of Burkina Faso and the surrounding countries. It could provide water for agriculture, industry, and domestic use, as well as create jobs and stimulate economic growth. Number 3. The Trans-Saharan Railway. This ambitious project aims to connect the North African coast with West Africa through a railway line that runs through Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, and Nigeria. Ibrahim Traore believes that the railway line will facilitate trade and transportation across the continent and help to boost the economies of the participating countries. The project is still in the planning stages, but Traore has stated that he is working to secure funding and support from international partners. Once completed, the Trans-Saharan Railway will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and the wider African continent. It will serve as a symbol of the region's growing importance in the global economy and its potential for growth and development. Number 4. The Great Green Wall for the Sahara. This initiative is an ambitious plan to create a wall of trees across the width of the African continent from Senegal to Djibouti. Ibrahim Traore has been a strong advocate for the project, which aims to combat desertification and restore degraded land in the Sahel region. He believes that the wall will help to improve the lives of millions of people who live in the region and provide them with much-needed resources, such as fuel and timber. The project has faced criticism from some quarters, with skeptics arguing that it is too expensive and will not be effective in stopping desertification. However, Ibrahim Traore remains committed to the project and has stated that he will continue to work towards making it a reality. If successful, the Great Green Wall for the Sahara will be a major accomplishment for Burkina Faso and the African continent as a whole. It will serve as an example of what can be achieved when countries work together to address common challenges. Number 5. The Digital Switchover (DSO) Project. The DSO project aims to transition Burkina Faso from analog to digital television broadcasting. Ibrahim Traore believes that the project will help to improve the quality of television broadcasts and make them more accessible to rural populations. The project has been met with some resistance from local television stations, which have been reluctant to invest in new digital equipment. However, the government is committed to the project and has set a deadline of June 2024 for the transition to digital broadcasting. Once completed, the DSO project will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the lives of millions of citizens. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to improve their broadcasting infrastructure. Number 6. The National Identification Project. Ibrahim Traore's government is currently undertaking a national identification project which aims to create a unique identifier for every citizen of Burkina Faso. The project is part of the government's broader strategy to improve governance and service delivery in the country. Some critics have argued that the project is unnecessary and that the government does not have the resources to implement it effectively. However, Ibrahim Traore believes that the project is essential for the country's development and has stated that it will help to improve the lives of millions of Burkinabe citizens. Once completed, the National Identification Project will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the country's governance and service delivery. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to improve their public services. Number 7. The Health for All Project. The Health for All Project is a government initiative aimed at improving access to healthcare in Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore believes that healthcare is a fundamental human right and that all citizens should have access to quality medical services. The project has been met with some challenges, including a shortage of medical personnel and facilities. However, the government is committed to the project and has pledged to invest in training more doctors and building new hospitals. Once completed, the Health for All project will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the lives of millions of citizens. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to improve their healthcare systems. Number 8. The National School Feeding Program. The National School Feeding Program is a government initiative aimed at providing free meals to school children in Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore believes that this program will help to improve attendance rates and reduce poverty among families. The program has been met with some challenges, including a lack of funding and logistics. However, the government is committed to the program and has pledged to invest in it to ensure its success. Once fully implemented, the National School Feeding Program will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the lives of thousands of school children. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to reduce poverty and improve education. Number 9. The Rural Electrification Project. The Rural Electrification Project is a government initiative aimed at bringing electricity to rural areas in Burkina Faso. The project has been met with some challenges, including a lack of infrastructure and funding. However, the government is committed to the project and has pledged to invest in it to ensure its success. Once completed, the Rural Electrification Project will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the lives of millions of rural citizens. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to improve access to electricity. Number 10. The Women's Empowerment Project. The Women's Empowerment Project is a government initiative aimed at improving the lives of women in Burkina Faso. Ibrahim Traore believes that women are essential to the country's development and that they should have access to the same opportunities as men. The project has been met with some challenges, including a lack of access to education and economic resources. However, the government is committed to the project and has pledged to invest in programs and policies that will help to empower women. Once completed, the Women's Empowerment Project will be a major achievement for Burkina Faso and will help to improve the lives of countless women. It will also serve as a model for other African countries looking to improve the status of women in their societies. These are just a few of the many ambitious projects that Ibrahim Traore is undertaking to transform Burkina Faso. His commitment to improving the lives of his citizens and his vision for the future of the country are truly inspiring. While some of these projects have faced challenges, Ibrahim Traore remains committed to seeing them through to completion. With his dedication and hard work, he is sure to leave a lasting legacy on Burkina Faso and the African continent as a whole. And there you have it, the top 10 most ambitious projects by Ibrahim Traore that are shaking the world. From the Grand Inga Dam to the Women's Empowerment Project, these projects are truly transformative and have the potential to change the lives of millions of people. As we wrap up this video, we want to know which project impressed you the most. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your opinion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Burkina Faso's most ambitious projects. We hope that you have gained a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities that this country faces. If you want to stay up to date on all things Africa, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.